January, clap your hands, clap, clap, clap. Cold winds blow and sweaters wrap. February, spin around, spin, spin, spin. Love is in the air, let's dance and grin. March, throw colors high, splash, splash, splash. Holi's here, let's play and dash. April, stretch up tall, reach, reach, reach. Flowers bloom, spring's here to teach. May, wipe your face, hot, hot, hot. Summer sun shines a lot, a lot. June, wear your bag, walk, walk, walk. School begins, we learn and talk. July, splash your feet, jump, jump, jump. Raindrops fall with a thump, thump, thump. August, fly your kite, up, up, high. Freedom's pride in the sky. September, read your book, flip, flip, flip. Learning time, a knowledge trip. October, hold your bow, aim, aim, shoot. Good wins over evil, we all salute. November, light a